Okay, my friends, it's done. 700, 1,000, and 500, 3,000. And guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposit of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay guys, so now I'm choosing indicators for our current work. Let's check them. First of all, let's set candles. Let's set 1 minute time period for the candles. After this, let's add some indicators. First of all, Fractal. After this, let's add one moving average. I'm setting it right now. This will be SMA moving average. Okay. Let's add one more moving average. Let's put another time period. Now let's add one more indicator. This will be Vortex indicator. I'm setting it right now. Okay, it's done. So well, now we are ready to start. We have 4 indicators right now, 2 moving averages, Fractal and Vortex. Okay, so now we are ready to start our trading activity and we are ready to open the first position. No, not yet. Let's add one more. I have drawn a wonderful trend line. You can clearly see this. As you can see, we are moving in the upgoing trend, and now we have hit the trend line. We are trying to break through it, and that's why we need to open, first of all, change our investment to $72 and open buy position. You can clearly see that we have touched the trend line. Sellers don't have enough power to break through it, and after this we started receiving a very good pullback reaction. Just look at this big green candle. It's so fucking big, like my big dick. So what's a nice big green candle? We are receiving a very good pullback reaction from the trend line zone, and price will highly likely continue growing more and more. As you can see, sellers don't have enough power to break through the current trend line, which is acting like the support line zone. So that's why we have opened buy position here, investing our money. Okay, my friends, so that's it. The first trade was profitable one. We have around $141 in the account. Let's check your CHF. Okay, my friends, so well, now you can clearly see that we are moving in the upgoing channel. I have just shown it to you. First of all, let's change our investment. Give me some seconds. We have put $121, and you can clearly see that now price is touching the bottom line of this upgoing channel. So that's why we have opened buy position from the bottom line of this channel, which is acting like the support line zone. So that's why we are receiving the pullback reaction right now, and we have opened buy position here. Now I'm expecting the growth towards at least the upper edge of the current upgoing channel. Well, my friends, we have around $250 on the account right now. Well, let's choose the Mexican. Now I'm expecting the current growth toward at least the upper edge of the current channel. As you can see, we're in the consolidation zone and we're moving in the flat channel. That's why we're moving from the bottom line of it towards the upper edge of it. Now we have hit the bottom line, we received the pullback reaction, and now we're growing towards the upper edge of this flat channel. Okay, my friends, it's done. We have around $445. My friend, just look at this right now. What can we see? First of all, we're touching the resistance line of the current upgoing channel, and we have right now made the new local high. For us, that means that we're highly likely to continue growing. So we have opened buy position, expecting the potential breakthrough of the current resistance level. As you can see, we have done this, and for us, this significates that we will highly likely continue growing more and more. So this trade was opened perfectly, and we're showing, buyers are showing us that they have enough power to continue growing. Moreover, according to the Vortex indicator, we're not overbought yet, and that means that we still have some capacity for the local growth. So that's why we have opened this position. It's done, guys. Just look at this. We have around $734 on the account. This is really nice and good. Okay, my friends, let's check GBP CHF currency pair. Sellers don't have enough power to make new local low. we have stopped, and together with this we're touching the strong level of support. According to the Vortex indicator, price is quite oversold, so that's why we need to have the upgoing correction, and we are receiving a very good pullback reaction. We have just broken through, so that's it. We have invested $574 here. We still have around $160 left on the account. This is very nice, and now we're just waiting for the profit in this trade. By the way, guys, while you're watching this video, please don't forget to check the description to it, because here you'll find amazing, splendid and cool link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions in my VIP channel. And all you need for that purpose is just write me a message in the Telegram and tell me, Michael, I want to become a VIP, and I will automatically add you here. Tomorrow you will get daily trading signals, daily analytics and strategies for free that will help you to become a professional trader and upgrade your skills. So don't waste your time, it's absolutely free. You can earn money even today. Do this right now. Subscribe to my private TG, link in the description. And we are opening one more sell position. According to the current situation, price is under pressure of the sellers, and we still have some capacity for the current drop. So that's why we have opened sell position here, investing $873 here, expecting the potential continuation of the current downgoing movement. Okay, so it's done. Now we're just waiting for the results. All we need right now is just relax, sit on the sofa, calm down, and get how I cash from this trade, my friends. Really, I love my work. I love binary options because this is the only type, this is the only sphere of business that can easily bring you so much money. Just remember, we started with just around, I didn't remember exactly, $70 at the very beginning of the current trading session, and now we have around $1,500 on the account. We spent just, I don't know, around 7 or 8 minutes, and we got this cash. Just look at this, $1,500 in our account. This was one more profitable trade, and we got this cash. This is fucking amazing. This is really nice, and we need to continue. We need to continue, guys. We need to make much and much more. By the way, some days earlier we had a very cool filming set. We had a very cool event for my YouTube, for my Telegram. We made some cool videos with a lot of my friends, with a lot of beautiful girls in my royal estate, in my cool mansion. You can see these videos in the YouTube a bit later, and in the Telegram also. In my cool luxury mansion, we made a cool party with my friends, with my chicks, and we made some cool videos for the YouTube, Telegram. Don't miss them. This is really nice. This is so fucking hot. You need to see this, guys, by your own eyes. It's amazing, really. Now, while I was talking, I have made I have opened one more trade. As you can see, we have invested around $640, and price is showing us a very good moment. We are growing right now significantly. Why did we open buy position? First of all, because we are above 2 moving averages. According to the Vortex indicator, we're quite overbought, yes, but still we have some capacity for the current growth. I pay much attention to the moving averages because we're really above both of them, and we have just made the new local high, the new one. And yep, my friends, we're in profit. We got around $3,120 in the account. We started with just $70, and we have turned them into $3,120. What a nice result. If you want to have the same kind of cash, my friends, each day, this is absolutely possible. All you need for this purpose is just to open description to this video right now, subscribe to my private TG, get all of this shit, get your cash today, and be with me. Thank you for your attention, my friends. Have a nice and profitable day. See you all later. Bye bye.